I call my little bitch Riri. She say she a savage. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Laquelle. If this is your first time here. So today we're gonna get right into this tutorial. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but I know I'm going to be using the Holy Grail, the Perception palette. Yeah, I already primed my face, I already moisturized it, I did all that. So we're gonna do these brows and then we're gonna get into this tutorial. So if you want to see me create a look, sis, just keep watching. Not for real. So the foundation's on. I went in with my Born This Way foundation. I concealed my eyelids. I used my NARS concealer. Now it's time to jump into this palette, y'all. Let's see what we gonna do. We gonna use IE. I don't know what that means in her little whatever, but we gonna use IE today. IE is this green right here. Yeah. We're gonna take Revenge and a little bit of Culture and put this in the crease. I'm going to go in with my Morphe E17 brush and just blend that out. I'm going to go in with a little bit of Culture and I'm just going to place that on top of this orange shade, just so I can blend that in. So I'm going to go in with this concealer brush and I'm going to take IE, and I'm not going to really put concealer on my lid. I'm just going to try to see how it's going to look without it and see how that's going to work. So it came on the lid really good. It has a little bit of fallout, but it's because I'm really like packing it on the lid, so that's why. Okay, so now I'm going to take a bullet brush and I'm going to go in with Stallion and I'm going to dip into a little bit of Played Out as well. Hold on, girl, because you got some little things going on right here. I'm gonna look straight ahead and I'm just going to dot So I'm going to take a smaller brush, a Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to blend that black out in circular motions. I'm going to try to darken that up just a little bit. Now for the other eye, I'm going to do the same thing like so. Now, we cute or whatever. Actually, I'm going to go in with my foundation stick first. This is my Superstay foundation stick in the color Mocha 360, if y'all need to know. I just like put all that on my nose. You know, I hate blended out nose contours. It sucks, okay? Now it's time for concealer. I'm going in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Do I look crazy or no? No, I didn't think so. Thank you. We're going to just blend that out. So before I do this one, I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye for the other eye. Just because I want to see how like this concealer plays out. Like, I want to see if it's playing me or not. So I'm just going to set it real quick. Okay. So now I'm going to blend this one out. I let it sit a little bit longer. So to set my contour, I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance medium to dark. And I'm going to go in with this one and a little bit of this one, dab some off. I'm going to go back in with that. So we're going to go in with the Morphe setting mist. You guys, this stuff right here is like crack. Like, I don't know what it does to my face, but it does something. So while my face is a little still wet, I'm going to go in with the Dose of Color Royal Hotness. And I'm just, even though this is like my skin tone, I'm going to just put a little bit on here. I'm just gonna put a little bit. And then I'm going to put, oh, I forgot to set my nose contour, y'all. It's okay. I'm going to put some of this. This is Kylie Cosmetics Skinny Duo in the highlighter shade. I'm going to take it, and it's called Glow Up. Since we didn't do it earlier, we're going to go ahead and set that nose contour. Now, I'm going to go in with that palette, and I'm going to use the medium, the middle color. I said the medium, the middle color. I think we getting there, sis. So I'm going to go back into that palette, and I'm going to go in with this color, Revenge, and I'm going to put that on the bottom waterline. Well, I'm going to put that on my lower lash, not bottom waterline. So I'm going to add a little bit of played out as well. I'll take a bullet brush and just blend that out. So now that we have that, I'm going to take this Benefit highbrow pencil, and I'm going to line my waterline with this. This is like a cream color. This is a highlighter, a brow highlighter, but I use it because it's so creamy and it's like light in my waterline. Like so, y'all. We're gonna pop on some mascara and some lashes and we'll be back for the lip. So to line the lips, I'm going to go in with my, I'm going to go in with my NYX. Gonna sharpen it. Okay, and so for the lip, you guys, I'm going to go in with Ooh by Makeup Shayla also. Alright, you guys, so this concludes the look. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed. I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah! We're gonna just take some photos like click, 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 click. I'm out.